Okay, I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of requests about a black screen on Sega and on Turbo Graphics. So basically, what this is due to is it depends on what kind of video cords you're using. If you're using the standard AV cord, then it's just gonna want a standard picture. If you're using a composite or HDMI cord, for some odd reason it wants to try to scale it up. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead into Sega and let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, you got some help here. It's a pain in the ass, I know. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. Press A. I'm gonna try to load us a game real quick here. I'm gonna play this shit. Okay, that'll work. Okay. So what seems to be happening here is I'm getting a black screen with no signal. Oh, by the way, I'm using a component cable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the home button. Just press it one time. And if that doesn't do anything, okay, there you go. So yeah, just press the home button one time and give it a second. And if it doesn't load within like 4 or 5 seconds, then press it again. Okay, so as you can actually see, you've got a picture in the background. For some odd reason, it doesn't want to show in the front, but it'll show in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to options. And we're going to go to video. And what we want to do is this display right here. What we want to do is we want to change this option of display because it's asking for original. Now, like I said, we have a component cable. So if you're using a component cable or HDMI, you might want to change it to progressive. If you're using a regular standard AV, just keep it on or change it to original and vice versa, whichever one works for you. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to back on out. We're going to press B. We're going to press B again. And then we're going to press B again. Let's see if that gives us something. And holy shit, we got Batman and Robin. So there's how you fix your black screen issue in the Sega. And we're going to start it up just to show you that it should run. There we go. And if you do change the setting and it's still a black screen, just go back and try to load another game, or yeah, just hit the reset button and you should be good to go. Okay, let's go back out to the main menu real quick and I'll show you the turbo graphics. So we're just gonna exit here. Alright, so now we're gonna find turbo graphics real quick. There we are. Turbo graphics 16. Okay, so what you want to do here is to change the video settings here. You just go down to emulator options and you click on that. And now what you want to do is you go to render. You go down to render and you change it either from original to progressive or progressive to regional, whichever one gets yours out of the black screen situation. And what you do is you just go down to return to previous, and then you can go to load new game, and it should run and not give you a black screen anymore. We're not gonna load a game here. I don't want to play this shit right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna back out of this, and we're done here. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. Any more questions, comments, anything else you would like to see, just let me know. I'm slowly, surely trying to get this shit together for you guys. Just bear with me. It's been a rough couple of months, so signing off.